Happy New Year! It is Rosh Hashanah, and the markets are wacko. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to BUBBA'S Update for Tuesday, September the 7th, after the Labor Day holiday. Of course, we do have the Jewish holiday of Rosh Hashanah, the Jewish New Year that started last night, which will affect volumes as well today. And interestingly enough, we had some very interesting action, but this update will be brought to you by our new friends and partners at for physical metals, and that is Strategic Wealth Partners. And of course, their website address is SWP Cayman Charlie Alpha Yankee Michael Alpha November.com /Bubba Trading. Check them out. That's who I use. They're a great supplier of mine, and they're great to work with. But in the meantime, yesterday the markets were open. You may or may not be aware of that, but they are open electronically on almost every day, even on holidays, and they were higher. They'd open lower, they are higher, and right now they're getting a little bit scorched. The Dow is down about 280. Okay, we're long. The Nasdaq is up about 7. We're long. S&P down 18. We're long, and the Russell down 46. We're still long. So it's kind of an ugly start of the new week. But again, it is what it is, and we expect very quiet trade the next couple of days because of the Jewish holiday. In the meantime, crude oil is down about $1, and we are short. Gold is getting crippled today, and we're long it at the moment, but it's down about $33. Okay, you could see yesterday it was struggling, and of course today it is accelerating the downside. Silver is now giving back all the gains that it had made on Friday. Okay. So, it is what it is. I mean, again, I don't worry about day-to-day or moment-to-moment trading, but that is exactly what's going on right now. And the dollar is higher, which we are short, and it's popping pretty good. And that's, a little fear in the market. That is where places run. Bitcoin, very interesting turn. It was up about almost over 2,000 last night. It's now down on the day. We are still long. The copper is down pretty good. We're still short. Natural gas is down a little bit, but it is much higher than it should be. And of course, we are still long. The notes are down. We are short. The bonds are down. We are long. So we're seeing some pressure in the interest rate markets, which is obviously pressuring the equity markets, because there's maybe some talk, maybe the free money is disappearing, and maybe the bond vigilantes are back. But that's, again, what we're watching. Platinum is also lower, which we don't trade, but we would be short if we did, but it just is not liquid enough for us. In the grain markets, corn is down 9 cents. We're short. Beans are down a nickel. We're short. Wheat's down 9 cents. We're long. In the protein complex, feeder cattle is down, and we are short. Hogs are flat to lower. We're short. And fat cattle or live cattle is flat, and we are short, or we're short as of this morning. Okay. And in the softs department, we're still long them all. Cotton lower, coffee lower, sugar lower, cocoa higher, OJ higher. It's a mixed day. Again, I wouldn't take too much stock away from anything here. I think this is just a market that is kind of vacillating and churning back and forth between levels. So again, be careful, be disciplined, be patient, and let the algorithms work for you. In the meantime, don't forget about our brokerage partners. And of course, I have many brokers, but I do have two I prefer for our methods, and for futures and commodities, it's Capital Trading Group, CTG. Very simple. Great service, great products, great managed products that they have. They're the only ones that have authorized for Live Direction, and they do a great job taking care of my business. So, in fact, they trade all my accounts, and that's why I recommend my members go there. But again, you can go wherever you want. And of course, you can reach out to them at info.capitaltradinggroup.com /Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com /Bubba. And for for equities and options, there's nothing like trading. It's $10 a month. That's the biggest thing. You're save a fortune. The 65 cents adds up, and at $10 flat, I don't know how you couldn't look at that, but again, that's up to you. You are entitled to trade wherever you prefer. But we do have their APIs as well, which allows us to liquidate our equity portfolios. Okay. And if you want to automate them, okay, then you can automate through Tradier at no charge. Okay. Now that's up to you. It is part of your membership. But again, there's no requirements. We want you to be happy wherever you are and whatever you're doing. Okay. And of course, our great relationship with family farmers, for farmers who, again, don't want to deal with the garbage part of the job. Look, human resources and all the benefit stuff and all the other stuff is not really farming. It's business, and it's easier to have someone help you with it. And Family Farms is great. And, check them out. It's familyfarmsgroup.com/Bubba-trading. That's familyfarmsgroup.com/Bubba-trading. And our commodity report written by Andy Heck, there's nothing like it. I mean, if you've ever traded commodities, you get the finest report from Andy. And if you're trading commodities and not reading this report, shame on you. Go see a doctor. You need some help. But you can check it out at BUBBATrading.com under Technomental. And our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba-trading. It's patreon.com/Bubba-trading. And if you happen to be at the Money Show next week in Vegas, Andy and I will be speaking. You can check us out. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here again tomorrow with another daily update. And to all our Jewish friends, Happy New Year, Lashana Tova. We'll see everybody tomorrow. Have a great day, everybody.